Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and today I wanted to show you a very special spotlight. This is our shop landscape that we installed a few months ago. We installed it in the fall, and I'm recording it now because when you install plants in the fall and the winter, there are a lot of perennials that aren't necessarily up and looking as good as they might. My heavens, what a few months makes, what a difference those few months make. So take a look at this. We're very proud. So this landscape is entirely Hannah's design, and she did just a terrific job. She started out as usual with larger plants to frame the building here. She used over here on the corner, this is called an oak leaf hydrangea. It's going to have white blooms here pretty soon. And then in front of that, the flowering plant, that is Anthony Waters spirea. That's going to get probably somewhere around 2.5, maybe 3 feet tall, very consistent bloomer. In the corners here, these are Edward Goucherabelia, and then this is Thrift. This will bloom in very early spring. And then a trailing rosemary. And then as somewhat of a filler, we like to use, these are called giant Lariopia. They'll get about 2 feet tall. Some of these plants were here originally, and we just transplanted them. That's the case with these dwarf purple hollies in the back. We've got variegated sedge. That's that cream-colored grass here. And then behind that is a row of Goucherabelia. In front of these, then we go back with our giant Lariopia, and then we already had some Gulfstream Nandina, so we mixed in a few more. And then as we go on across, we're using, this is called Goucherabelia. This does really well in the freezes. It's a great perennial. So we repeated the pattern. The annuals that we're using, these are terrific summer flowers. These are pentas. This is our favorite flower to use over the summer because it takes the Texas heat. That also, if we have a rainy season, it grows really well. And then we mixed in, this is dwarf Mexican Petunia. That'll fill in as time goes on. That'll go dormant in the winter time, but in the summer, it loves the Texas heat. That's what we call a flame-proof plant. And then as we go on across, she added in Nandinas in the background. Those are going to be the feathery plants. Those are compact Nandinas. Those will get about 5-6 feet tall. And then as a nice dash of color, these are Stelladora Day Lilies. And then we transplanted these abelias. They struggled a little bit, but now they've really come back to life. We worked in a nice amount of river rock. And then just had it was Hannah's concept to have a nice little sitting area here for people to be able to enjoy. And then the trees, these are Savannah hollies, and at the end we've got a little gem magnolia. So again, Hannah did a really nice job of laying this out. All throughout the year, we're going to get a nice mix of colors as one plant is coming into bloom, another plant may be going out, but we're constantly going to have blooming plants and color throughout the year. So nice job for Hannah. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Village Green, growing plants, growing people, and growing relationships.